To download MetaTrader on your computer, you need to visit XTB website and click the Open a Demo Account button. After completing the registration form, you will receive an email with your login, password, and a direct link to download the platform. You can choose between MetaTrader or use XStation, the web-based platform that can be also run on Mac OS system. If you select MetaTrader, at the start you will need to use the provided login and password you have received in the registration email. You will be able to select the server for MetaTrader. Xtrade M4 Demo is for demo. The other servers are if you are already an XTB customer with a real account. You will be able to select the server for MetaTrader. Please note that XTB Real Account clients will receive their login password and server details from XTB's dealing or support department staff. MetaTrader provides you with straightforward access to useful tools on the toolbar list. The main sections of MetaTrader. Toolbar. An application toolbar allowing you to change the language version and to access specific MetaTrader sections and tools. You can also customize your interface by clicking on proper icons. Market Watch window provides access to all instruments that you can use while trading using MetaTrader. To see detailed lists of products, simply right-click your mouse button anywhere on the Market Watch window and choose Show All. Navigator section. This provides information on indicators, a metric whose value is used to try to predict future price levels, or alternatively price direction of a security by looking at historic data. Expert Advisor. The automation of the analytical and trading process through either programming or the acquisition of relevant software. Custom indicators. The creation of a technical indicator developed by the user based on criteria the user believes will help predict future price levels or price direction. A program written in MQL that is intended for the performance of a single action. Once a script performs its action, it stops functioning by itself. At the bottom you will find the terminal window. This provides access to trade with your currently open trades. More detailed info is provided in our video tutorial. Account history for all your trades. Alerts. You can add your own alerts. Mailbox. All emails from the system and XTB. Journal. Your activity history.